In this video, I will show you how to add Facebook Pixel in Google Sites. Visit sites.google.com, select the website where you want to add your Facebook Pixel. Go to Facebook Business Account, locate your Facebook Pixel code, copy the entire code. This code should be placed inside the header section of your website, just above the closing head tag. Now go back to your Google site, click on Embed option under the Insert tab, choose Embed Code, paste your Facebook Pixel code in the box, click Next and then click Insert. Once inserted, drag your embedded code block to the top of the page. This will ensure the code loads as part of your website's header. You can resize the block to make it smaller on the page. Don't worry, the code is invisible in your website visitors. When you are finished, click the Publish button to save your changes. Click Publish again, then click View to see your live website. To confirm the pixel is working, install the MetaPixel Helper extension from the Chrome Web Store. Once installed, visit your website and refresh the page. The extension will detect if your pixel is active. If you don't see it, disable any ad blockers and check again. And that's how you add a Facebook pixel to Google Sites. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.